Hey guys, it's Inezia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a DIY using this decorative fruit that I picked up at Dollarama for $1.50 each pack. This DIY is inspired by Rae Dunn. I'm just obsessed with anything Rae Dunn. So what I did is I took the fruit outside and I gave it 3 good coats with the Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 paint and primer. This one was in a flat white. So I found the fruit was really absorbing the paint, so it needed the 3 coats. Obviously I waited till they were dry and then I did the additional coats. When the top was dry, I actually flipped them over and spray painted the bottoms. So as these dried, I went over to work on my Cricut to do the little decal for the pear. What I did was I went into Design Space, I clicked on New Project, click on Text, then typed in the word Yum. I went into the font and I already had downloaded one of my favorite fonts from thefont.com. It's called cami-rae and it's a Rae Dunn inspired font and I use this one a lot. Check out thefont.com, that's DAFONT.com. That's the site I use for most of my fonts and they're typically all free and there's such a beautiful selection of fonts on there. I absolutely love it. So anyways, I sent it to the Cricut and I let the Cricut do its thing. I actually printed out Yum and Enjoy because I wasn't sure which word I wanted to use, but I stuck with the Yum. And then here I'm just burnishing the word onto the transfer paper so that I can place it on the pear. I just used the back of a pen to do this. Now you're going to want to carefully remove the backing of the decal and find the flattest part of the pear and just stick the decal on it. Also, I forgot to mention that I went in with a black Sharpie marker and I painted out all the stems on the fruit. You could also use some black acrylic paint and a small paintbrush for that. Also guys, if you don't have a Cricut, what you could do is you could just freehand a word on there, or another option would be to pick up a stencil at your local dollar store or even Michael's, or another great option would be just to use some lettered stickers. I've seen some cute ones like typography and stuff. That's probably what I would use. And guys, you could place a decal on each one of the fruit, but I opted to only do it on one just because I like the simplicity of it. But if I were to do all the fruit, I'd probably come up with creative words for each and every one. And there you have it, my Rae Dunn inspired decorative fruit. I think it came out super cute. And I have it on this little cake plate on display in my kitchen and I love it. If you like this video or you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.